In the Kampot province in Cambodia, residents formed the Tropang Songke ecotourism community to restore mangrove forests that are being destroyed due to human activities like urbanization, infrastructure development, and aquaculture. Mangroves are the protectors of the coastal communities in Cambodia. Since 2010, this community has planted more than 600,000 mangrove trees to restore the ecosystem. They are fighting back to restore Cambodia's lost mangrove glory. But why do they need to do so? Along the southern coast of the country, large mangrove forests host marine life, protect the coasts during storms, and prevent beach erosion. With a total area of 51,603 hectares, Cambodia once had large mangrove forests. But because of the rise of human activities like aquaculture, infrastructure development, urbanization, and coastal land grabbing, around 37,000 hectares of mangroves were lost between 1989 and 2017 in the country. That's the equivalent of around 108 central parks in New York City. In less than 2 decades, Cambodia's mangrove forests declined by staggering 42%. Cambodia is on a coastal development mission and is reshaping its shores into modern national economic poles to generate livelihood and create more tourism destinations and economic opportunities. Hundreds of hectares of mangroves were destroyed in the last few years for the construction of a 600-hectare deep sea port reclamation project completed in 2022 in the Kampot province. And another 200-hectare patch is again being cleared for a new project. While the port might expand short-term economic opportunities, the destruction of mangroves also takes away the natural protections they offer. Their loss affects marine biodiversity and plays a role in accelerating climate change as the carbon they sequester is released back into the atmosphere once they are cut down. A study estimates that emissions resulting from mangrove losses leads to economic damages of some 6 to 42 billion US dollars annually. Thus, the residents of Cambodia have taken it upon themselves to restore the lost mangroves and keep alive the biodiversity they host.